Hi, let's learn one more feature of Excel in this exercise. Go to Home tab and move the cursor to the right hand side of the ribbon and you will find Sort and Filter feature is available. Under Home tab, remember you need to be at Home tab to find out this feature. Put the cursor on Sort and Filter, click just once and this pop-up box says what it is useful for. It helps you to organize your data so it's easier to analyze. You can sort the selected data from smallest to largest, largest to smallest, or filter out specific values. So let's learn about how to apply sort and filter to our exercise and to practice of these two features. We'll learn first about how to apply filter and then we'll learn more about sort. So first of all, need to select or highlight the data, exclude main heading and select the remaining data. Once the data is highlighted, go to sort and filter option, click the drop down arrow and select filter. As you click filter, you can see this drop down is added to this table. It wasn't there before. Click on that drop down and you will see this screen. Click on select all and now click electricity and food. Now we have selected only electricity and food. That means we want the specific data from all expenses. We just want to see the expenses regarding electricity and food. So we have selected these two options only. Right? Click OK. And now you can see in the table we have got information of electricity and food only. You can get the printout of it. You do not need all the expenses. Sometimes it happens you need specific data. So filter is really useful to select the specific data. Now how to get back all the data? So just click on that. If you have applied filter, if filter is applied, you can see it doesn't show only drop down, but it shows this filter icon as well. Click on it and click on select all and all the data, all the expenses are selected now. Click OK and you get your data back. So filter is really useful when you want specific data from all the data you have got. Right? Similarly, if you select here, click on that drop down and if you want to see which expenses, the expenses are particular of $800 and $180. Select it, click OK and you can see you are having the expenses that shows of that specific amount. Now let's learn about the second feature, how to use sort in Excel. So there are two ways to apply sort, use sort feature in Excel. As we have applied filter here and as this drop down arrow is ready here, so we can use this to sort the data. So before we apply sort, just have a quick look at the data, how it is organized at this moment. So rent comes first, electricity, then food, internet, fuel and miscellaneous expenses. Now if you want to organize this data in alphabetical order, click on this drop down arrow, left click and now you see the very first in the list is sort A to Z. Click on it and you will now see the data is organized in alphabetical order. If you want to organize the data in reverse like Z to A, so how will you do it? Just click on sort Z to A and you can see the change. Do not save the data as we need our original data back. So To get that original form back, click undo button or press Ctrl Z from the keyboard. And now we are here. If it is text, you can arrange the data in alphabetical order. And what about if it's number? So if it's number, you can arrange the data from largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Say an example, you want to arrange the data that shows lowest expenses first and highest expenses last. So click the drop down here and select smallest to largest, sort smallest to largest. As we have got numbers, it shows sort smallest to largest. If we get text, it will show sort A to Z. So click on it and now you can see $50, that's the minimum expense, lowest expenses that comes first. So the smallest amount comes first and the largest amount goes last. So that's how sort and filter sort option work. Undo this change, click undo, and we are back with our original data form. Now how to remove this filter icon from here, and if you don't want to apply any filter, clear that filter. So go back to sort and filter under home tab and click on filter, and that filter icon, that drop down icon is gone. So there was another way to apply sort, as I told you earlier. So how to apply sort and filter? So you can use sort and filter from here. It shows sort smallest to largest because right now the cursor is here in B column and that's the amount. If I put the cursor where text is there, so now it shows sort A to Z. So it depends, if it is text, it will show sort A to Z. If it's a number, it will show sort smallest to largest amount. Alright, let's undo that. And now save your work. Remember to save your work in each exercise after every few minutes. Whenever you do Excel work, keep saving your work. Whenever you use software for backup, keep saving your work. That's it for sort and filter exercise. I hope you like it and found it useful.